Haga khar artrik leber Myntri Rangbah konrat ke Samla ula Thung sau Tylli ki mau Nongrim ban pen bahaya ka yau polo yau du ki jaka yang kali ban pen itenat ya san Tylli ki pung hakaleng Khuborjylla ya ka jingalang Thung mau Nongrim lapen long hanan polok.
A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Then we move on to the mechanized multi-level car parking at Vivekananda Road near Additional Secretariat and Polo Commercial Complex, Phase 3. Next we have the beautification of Yodo Market. And finally, the improvement and beautification of 5 lakes in the state, and which include the Wards Lake, Malse Lake in Eastern Air Command, the Nirman Jheel at Latkor, the Memo Lake at Williamnagar, and the Rango Karam at Resubelpara.
Experience and the potential that this place has, and we are really keen to take advantage of that. And hence, we start off by having this water area to be cleansed further. We would like it to be crystal clear so that it would be visible all the way down, in the sense that people can see the fish and other water bodies, the other so flora and fauna that is there. They'll be able to experience it, and that is something that we would like to do, apart from building up the infrastructure around, like the gate area, like the sitting areas, like the restaurants that are there, and even possible, as I said, an amphitheater, along with another program which we're doing, which is what we call the laser light show. It's a very, very long pending project, but we intend to create a spring or a fountain out here where the laser lights will hit the fountain, and a laser show comes up. I'm sure some of you have seen it outside, but that's what we plan to do here, which will again be a very, very great experience for the tourists, because you'll be actually able to see the history of the state, the cultural aspect of the state, through a laser light show that will happen here in the evenings. So on and so forth. We have plans, and approximately about 25 crores will be spent to improve the overall infrastructure out here in Wards Lake. Another very important aspect is the aspect of the parking lots that we've been talking about. Almost close to 1,000 parking lots will be, or rather parking spaces for 1,000 plus vehicles is being created. But today we are setting up the foundation stone for 465 such locations or such slots at a cost of about 90 crores, which also includes the program that I had mentioned in I think the assembly I was replying. So there is a space right next to the Polo Orchid where we have small plot of land which is being unused by one of the departments in the state government. We intend to create infrastructure where we have space for the hawkers as well as for the parking of the vehicles there, and that is the part that we are putting up, which is about 46 crores, for which the foundation stone has been laid today. Stone for a very ambitious project for the new Shillong water supply scheme for the administrative city and the new knowledge city that will have a project worth 1,600 crores. And apart from this water supply scheme, as we speak, there are projects worth almost 600 crores in terms of road development that is taking place to the new Shillong city, to the new administrative city, and to the new knowledge city, so that we're able to build up the necessary infrastructure that we can have to actually have a great knowledge city and a great administrative city. And while we do that program, we have a plan, and a very ambitious plan, and we don't speak just on paper in terms of some ideas and numbers that come out from my mouth or my mind, or Dr. Vijay or our ministers saying it. No, these are all done in a very scientific and a very planned manner, where we have mapped out close to 9,500 crores of funds which will be invested from various sources, including state government, including central government, including private investment in the new administrative city and in the new knowledge city that is going to come up. So when this investment takes place at that scale, in this new growth hubs, as we are going to call them, we expect to create almost close to 50,000 new jobs and opportunities of employment for our youth. And while we do that, we are also working towards decongesting the current Shillong city that we have. And hence, this is a part of a large-scale master plan, and every day we are working on small things that are going to make that difference. But today what we have done, we have laid foundation stone for 4 major projects. You've seen all of them that are there, starting with the beautification of Yodo Market. And again, it's something that we have been really thinking about and working on for a very long time. You all know that we have already given the work order for 5 crores of work to be implemented almost, I think, 2-3 months back. So we expect the work also to start very soon. And therefore, an ambitious move towards ensuring that Yodo Market is overall beautified and the overall facilities are improved, and we are able to create a better traction in terms of tourists going there, as well as our own citizens going to that place.